Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a piece of cookware that promises to elevate your culinary game, a 13-inch seasoned carbon steel wok from Made In. They bill it as like cast iron, but better, and crafted in Sweden. This is a bold claim, and I've been putting it to the test. So, let's break down what this wok brings to your kitchen. First off, the dimensions are significant. We're looking at a total diameter of 13.5 inches, with a cooking surface diameter of 5.5 inches. The height, including the handle, is about 6.22 inches, and the depth of the bowl itself is 3.82 inches. The overall length, with that substantial handle, is a generous 22 inches. This isn't a small wok, and it's designed for serious cooking. Now, the heart of this wok is its carbon steel construction. Made In emphasizes this as a natural non-stick alternative. As you build up the seasoning, the carbon steel allows you to use less oil, making your dishes healthier without sacrificing that desirable non-stick performance. This is crucial for anyone looking to reduce their oil intake while still enjoying delicious, perfectly cooked food. This wok is made for high heat. It's safe up to a staggering 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit. Carbon steel excels at searing, and this wok is no exception. It's designed to handle the intense heat required to achieve that perfect crust on meats and vegetables, locking in flavor and texture. One of the standout features is its universal compatibility. Carbon steel is incredibly versatile. This wok can go from a high-tech induction cooktop to a gas or electric stove, and yes, even over a campfire. This flexibility makes it a true workhorse for any cooking environment, whether you're in a professional kitchen or an outdoor adventure. The ultimate goal for many who seek out a wok is to achieve that elusive wok hay. This Made In wok is built to help you do just that. Wok hay is that signature smoky flavor and aroma that comes from high-heat stir-frying. With this carbon steel wok, you can achieve that authentic taste with less oil, which again, contributes to healthier meals. Imagine those delicious stir-fries, infused with that characteristic smoky essence, right in your own home. And let's talk about where it's made. Proudly crafted by artisans in Sweden, Made In uses premium metals. This commitment to craftsmanship and high-quality materials ensures you're getting a professional-grade piece of cookware that's built to last. The heritage of metalworking in Sweden is well known, and it really shows in the solid construction and finish of this wok. So, let's weigh the pros and cons. The pros are undeniable. The high heat tolerance and ability to build a natural non-stick surface are fantastic. The versatility across different cooktops and even outdoor cooking is a huge plus. The potential to achieve authentic wok hay for healthier, more flavorful stir-fries is a major draw. And the Swedish craftsmanship speaks for itself, promising durability and quality. However, there are a couple of things to consider. Carbon steel cookware, while offering great performance, does require proper seasoning and maintenance. It's not as forgiving as a stainless steel pan, for example. You'll need to learn the best practices for seasoning, cleaning, and storing it to ensure it performs at its best and doesn't rust. Also, the 13-inch size, while great for capacity, does mean it takes up a significant amount of storage space. And for those who are just starting out with wok cooking, the initial learning curve for managing high heat and seasoning might be a slight hurdle. In conclusion, the Made In 13-inch seasoned carbon steel wok is a premium piece of cookware that offers exceptional performance for serious home cooks. If you're looking to achieve authentic stir-fry results, benefit from natural non-stick properties, and invest in a durable, versatile tool, this wok is a very strong contender. It's built to last, perform, and impress. Link in the description.